Lately, Stellantis has been looking more like a sinking ship than one of the world's largest automakers, but that's about to change soon. The company is coming up with a long list of impressive models, vehicles that have the potential to redefine their segments. The Stellantis CEO announces 6 new models for 2026 and turns haters into believers. Let's take a closer look. Number 6. Dodge Charger V8, the resurrection everyone demanded. The rumors are true, and the automotive world is about to explode with excitement. After Dodge seemingly killed off the beloved Hemi V8 in their redesigned Charger, the legendary power plant is making a triumphant return for 2026. This isn't just about bringing back an engine. This is about Stellantis admitting they heard the outcry from enthusiasts worldwide. The new Charger lineup already features impressive electric powertrains in the RT and Scat Pack Daytona models, plus the Hurricane twin-turbo inline-6 variants. But what's got everyone talking is the confirmation that engineers are already working on integrating V8 power back into the STLA large platform. The implications here are massive. Reports suggest that not only will the 5.7-liter and 6.4-liter Hemi engines return, but there's serious talk about the supercharged 6.2-liter making a comeback as well. Imagine the possibilities. We could be looking at the return of the Hellcat nameplate, potentially even more powerful than before. Production for these V8-powered Chargers will begin next year, giving Dodge time to perfect the integration of traditional muscle car power with modern platform technology. This move represents more than just satisfying nostalgic customers. It's Stellantis proving they can offer true multi-energy solutions without abandoning their performance heritage. Number 5. Ram Rampage, Compact Revolution. While the full-size truck market continues to grow more expensive and complex, Ram is preparing to shake things up with something completely different. The Ram Rampage, which has been successfully operating in South American markets, is finally making its way to American soil. This isn't just another compact pickup trying to copy the Ford Maverick's success. The Rampage represents Ram's commitment to bringing genuine truck capability to a more accessible price point. Built on unibody construction similar to the platform found under the Dodge Hornet and Alfa Romeo Tonale, the Rampage is going to offer all-wheel drive as standard equipment. What makes this announcement particularly exciting is the powertrain strategy. While the Brazilian version offers different engine options, the American Rampage is expected to feature the proven 268 horsepower turbocharged 2-liter inline-4 from the Hornet GT. But here's where things get really interesting. There's a plug-in hybrid variant borrowing the Hornet's 288 horsepower PHEV system. With compact pickup demand continuing to surge and the Maverick struggling to meet production demands, the Rampage could capture significant market share by offering superior interior quality and more standard features. Expect to see Rebel and RT variants that will push the performance envelope in ways the segment hasn't seen before. Number 4. Ram Ramcharger, Bridging Two Worlds. Revolutionary technology is about to change everything we thought we knew about pickup trucks. The 2026 Ram 1500 Ramcharger represents one of the most sophisticated powertrain solutions ever attempted in the full-size truck segment. This isn't a traditional hybrid, and it's not a conventional electric vehicle either. The Ramcharger uses a brilliant range extender setup where a 3.6-liter V6 engine serves as a generator to keep the massive 69.7 kilowatt-hour battery pack charged, while electric motors handle all the actual driving duties. The result is a combined 647 horsepower and 610 pound-feet of torque that can accelerate this full-size truck to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds. But power is only part of the story here. The Ramcharger is promising up to 145 miles of pure electric driving range, combined with a total range of 690 miles when the gas engine is factored in. This eliminates the range anxiety that has prevented many truck buyers from considering electric options, while still providing the instant torque and smooth operation that makes electric drive systems so appealing. The towing capabilities are equally impressive. With a maximum capacity of 14,000 pounds and payload ratings up to 2,625 pounds, the Ramcharger isn't making any compromises in traditional truck capability. The air suspension system with kneeling mode makes loading and unloading easier than ever, while the body-on-frame construction maintains the durability that commercial users demand. Number 3. Alfa Romeo Giulia, next generation coming. Spy photographers have captured something extraordinary testing in the frozen landscapes of northern Sweden. The next generation Alfa Romeo Giulia is taking shape, a fastback that's going to redefine what we think an Alfa Romeo sedan can be. This represents a fundamental shift in Alfa Romeo's strategy. Rather than simply updating the current sedan format, the new Giulia is embracing the new trend while maintaining the sporting DNA that makes Alfa Romeo special. Built on the same STLA large platform as the upcoming Stelvio, the new Giulia will share chassis, powertrains, and technology with its SUV SUV sibling. The powertrain possibilities are absolutely mind-blowing. Former Alfa Romeo executives have hinted at a range-topping quadrifoglio variant that could produce up to 986 horsepower in electric form. For those who prefer traditional powertrains, there's a report about borrowing the new Charger's twin-turbocharged inline-six engine for gasoline-powered variants. The design language is evolving as well. Early spy shots reveal split LED headlights that echo the smaller junior model, creating a family resemblance across the Alfa Romeo lineup. Advanced technology integration is going to be a major focus. The STLA Brain electronic architecture will enable over-the-air updates and more sophisticated driver assistance systems than any previous Alfa Romeo. For enthusiasts who thought Alfa Romeo was losing its way, the next generation Giulia is going to prove that innovation and passion can coexist beautifully. Number 2. Jeep Cherokee, modern renaissance. After 3 years away from the market, the Cherokee nameplate is preparing for a triumphant return that's going to surprise everyone. Our spy photographers have captured extensive testing footage of the 2026 Cherokee, revealing an interior design that borrows heavily from the electric Wagoneer S while maintaining its own unique identity. The transformation is dramatic. Gone are the outdated cabin materials and clunky infotainment systems of the previous generation. The new Cherokee features matching 12.3-inch instrument cluster and center infotainment screens, haptic climate controls, and USB Type-C outlets positioned for modern convenience. The rotary gear selector and drive mode toggle system creates a premium experience that rivals much more expensive vehicles. Exterior design has embraced a much more upright and SUV-like appearance. The front grille is considerably more vertical than before, while rectangular taillights that jut into the tailgate create a bold square aesthetic that echoes the headlight design. This isn't about following trends, it's about creating a distinctive design language that makes the Cherokee immediately recognizable. The powertrain strategy represents Jeep's commitment to electrification without abandoning capability. Hybrid technology will be standard across the lineup, built on the same STLA large platform that underpins the Wagoneer S and Recon. Front-wheel drive models are expected to use Stellantis' EDCT hybrid system, while all-wheel drive variants will feature plug-in hybrid technology with the coveted 4xe badge. With a minimum wheelbase of 113 inches, the new Cherokee will offer significantly more interior space than compact competitors. This could position it closer to midsize SUV territory, potentially creating some interesting dynamics with the Grand Cherokee lineup. Number 1. Jeep Comanche, the return of a legend. The most shocking announcement in Stellantis' 2026 lineup isn't what you'd expect. After decades of speculation and countless rumors, the Jeep Comanche pickup truck is officially returning to production, and it's going to be built at the Belvidere, Illinois facility. This represents more than just adding another model to the lineup. Stellantis is restarting an entire manufacturing facility and bringing back approximately 1,500 UAW-represented jobs to produce what's being described as a mid-sized truck with multi-energy capability. Production is scheduled to begin in a year or two, giving engineers time to perfect what could be the most technologically advanced pickup in the segment. The platform strategy is fascinating. Rather than adapting an existing car-based architecture, the new Comanche is expected to use a shortened version of the STLA frame platform that underpins the Ram 1500 Ramcharger and upcoming Ram 1500 Rev. This body-on-frame construction will provide genuine truck capability while supporting electric, gas, and plug-in hybrid powertrains. What makes this announcement truly special is the timing. This return represents Stellantis' confidence in their multi-energy strategy and their commitment to bringing innovative solutions to traditional truck buyers. The Belvidere facility, which has been idle since Jeep Cherokee production ended in 2023, will be completely retooled to handle the complex manufacturing requirements of multiple powertrain options. This isn't just about building trucks, it's about proving that American manufacturing can adapt and thrive in the electrified future. These 6 models represent something much larger than just new product announcements. Stellantis is demonstrating that they understand both where the industry is heading and where their customers want to go. By offering gasoline, hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and fully electric options across their lineup, they're ensuring that no customer gets left behind during the transition to electrification. But even such amazing designs don't guarantee success, as other companies are shaping up for the next year as well. Check out this video about GM's CEO announcing new models for 2026, which you can now see on the screen. GM is preparing a serious set of novelties for the next year, which also includes a couple of iconic revivals.